How's it going, everybody? Welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to be reviewing the new GAULTIER Beau Flower Edition, and we're going to be comparing it to the original Beau because I don't like Beau the Parfum. I like the original Beau, so we're going to be comparing it with those two. So we're going to see what this is all about. Stay tuned and see if you want to buy it. Alright, so diving in, I don't have much of a presentation because I bought a sample. You see, I'm practicing what I'm preaching. I always say buy sample before you buy, so bam, I got this. So let's just smell it. I have already smelled it before, so I don't want to spoil it, but I'm just going to tell you what I think about it when I spray it. So let's go ahead and give it a couple sprays. So here I go. Oh, okay. In the air, yeah, you get all those florals in the air, just like the name says. It lives up to its name, I'm gonna tell you that. It really does live up to its name. You get those florals, you get that ozonic, very fresh type of smell. This is the most freshest. This is very rounded, very smooth, very smooth. When you compare it to like Beau or Beau Le Parfum, this is very smooth, very flowery, like the name says, and ozonic. Now, I do actually like this one. I like this one very much. It's very good. Now, the notes in this, according to Fragrantica, is kumquat, violet leaf, and cashmere. I don't know how accurate that is. I don't think it's very accurate because it's flower. I don't really get much besides violet leaf, but who knows how they did it. But that's according to Fragrantica, so just take that with a grain of salt. Now, yes, as I said, I'm such a huge fan of this. It smells like ozonic flowers and kind of like a new car smell. I don't know why I get that, but it's just so good. I love this. And take it from a person that hates Jean Paul Gaultier. I only like three now. There's only three Jean Paul Gaultiers I like now. This is another one. Elixir, Beau, and this one. Now I'm gonna get a couple sprays of Beau and we're gonna compare it side by side, see like if there's any type of real similarities. Okay, so yeah. Beau is very, like, smelling it side by side. Beau is super synthetic. This is crazy synthetic and very sharp, but it's still good. I like it. Beau is good. I sprayed like 2 sprays on here. Very good. Very synthetic, very sharp. When you compare it to these two, this is very floral, citrusy, ozonic, and well-rounded. Out of the two, I think I prefer the flower edition. I'm gonna buy a full bottle of this, honestly. This is very good. I like this. Now, in terms of performance, I can't really give you a full like analysis on the performance because it's like, I just have a sample. I just got these in yesterday, so I haven't given it a huge wear, but I've already smelled it. But this is like a very summertime fragrance. Like, it makes sense why it came out the time it came out, like very recently. Summer's just around the corner. So this is a very, well, we're starting in spring. But this is a very summer, spring fragrance for those high heat weathers. I think this does way better than all, like, you know, all the other Beaux for the summertime. Very much. Even the original Beau, that coconut, yeah, it's for the summer, but I think this is just way better. Maybe Paradise Garden as well. So yeah, I think this is for more of those summer occasions. I think you can wear it night and day in the summertime. I think this is very much a summertime fragrance. Very like youthful, casual type of fragrance. This isn't a very formal, put a suit on and put this on. That's not what this is. This is very informal, very casual. I think it's versatile for the summer, meaning you can wear it anytime in the summer and you can wear it, you know, night and day. You can just pretty much just wear it casually. If you're going to the beach, if you're going to go hang out with friends, if you're going to go run some errands when it's hot, this is perfect for that. It smells very good. I love this. So yeah, this will run you about like $120, $130 around there, depending where you go. It is pricey because it just came out. I think I'm gonna wait till I guess I'll buy it. Who knows how much more it'll lower. We'll just check on discounters. But I think this is very good. I'm definitely gonna be picking up a full bottle of this in the future, definitely, because this is nice. I'm gonna just try to go through the sample, see how it is, give it a couple wears. But yeah, I love this very much. I do think you should pick it up, but first, of course, sample it. And I think this is a very good wear, a good buy for the summer, a good summertime fragrance. But yeah, I'll leave a link in the description where you can get the sample. But that's all for today, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope this was helpful. I hope this can help you make a decision if you want to try this out or not. And please leave a like, comment, and subscribe, and share with your friends. What is your fragrance of the day? What were you wearing today? You know, what were you kind of thinking? What were you feeling to wear today? Very curious. Please leave in the comments. And thank you guys so much for watching. And please take care and God bless.